dodo na se da bay na Nana Samgba Gyafla bekasa na special aid and I say personal aid no adulson da bay no hene no ohimpo na bekasa we ni kosan and also question among for tebusa but ne personal aid and I say ne personal assistant no Abu Mahama abekansem bi na pese wutie na wokyere wadwene Nana Samgba Gyafla afile committal for contempt or Kumasi High Court against yaw Sammorduah na eno na amanfo say adene da bia obefile case Kumasi High Court from day one Sampa nsem sorry no Nana Samgba Gyafla otosumi no ebefile case bia na Kumasi High Court ana pinas adene da bia Kumasi High Court ebetisu baby Sampa nsem no akoduru no de National House of Chiefs and Regional House of Chiefs in Kwan a jurisdiction over the issue. Now, Kumasi High Court any say beer about the issue being. Say a year Regional House of Chiefs any National House of Chiefs and a jurisdiction over the matter. And now say court at a so jurisdiction to rule. As we say, yemfa contempt ento ya Sammorduah so no Nana Samgba abekasa na mo bi enti kakra
Ewsiafo me chiamo enwema mienu bi pe na me pese mi wa ni mankrofo hu no nipa bebre e frame yi bisa me se adentina contempt case no na amfale no wo sunwane na odi ba Kumasi na binum nso ka say the court has no jurisdiction say obe charge or be as a contempt na National House of Chiefs any the Regional House of Chiefs any was out to me no medamasi ba ne me pese mu hunu nyina ne say adentina na wan fan kosomwane ne edi kan asem na e hya ase no na eye the National House of Chiefs the Bono Regional House of Chiefs anana di omo baaye the National House of Chiefs e wo Kumasi the Bono Regional House of Chiefs e wo Bono region. And Nana had an opportunity to select where he want to take it to. And Nana selected Kumasi, Emma, because the National House of Chiefs no Kumasi, and they were party to the suit. And the Bono Regional House of Chiefs, the National House of Chiefs, and now Nana Samgba Gyafla, they were the party to the suit. And now Odiba Kumasi. Processes ne komuno and na brante bia obone ho samrani ya Sammorduah or see on the Sampa Mahene or no soon din ho be dom mu bi. And ye can asem ne wie. And ye can't some we na bibi be free mu aba say assign by the same court. And nuntina emra yi judge no edi judgment ni ba ya Sammorduah can say on tiase Bono Regional House of Chiefs can say on tiase no wan ko fali appeal no any stay of execution no e was sunwane omo be fali no wo hifa Kumasi because this is where the processes begin. Enti omu bo stay ni guye no processes ni course through the court emma court no emma ye gazetted Nana Samgba Gyafla the same court no and the court no ma ye gazetted Nana Samgba Gyafla bi no na Sammorduah epese obo gazette ni gu no wamfa ne suit no anko sunwane wamfa anko wamfa anko tamale odi ba Kumasi adentia because the processes started in the Kumasi High Court. And the Sammorduah edi sa we ni ba say na gazette na ya gazette ye mungu na court ni ka say dey bi na court ni dismiss ono ne suit no na e ya ade a Sammorduah no ehunu say ya gazette Nana Samgba Gyafla we Sampa Mahene enti obi a ya gazette no na waba say enka yenteni the gazette no orders no yenteni no na court no a dismiss o suit na uye aware say ohene bi ewo ho. And this way aware say ohene bi wo ho na wo da so eye wo ho say wo yo ohene a en ye sa court now adi asem no a wo wonim say ehọ na say wo ba wo di wo de ba ya court ne boguye no e say ye ba sa court ho biom ne be ka tire court ne say ohene na wo gi ne tu mu a Ghana mra eta na chi no abrante bi wo ba ye ka say enkatani judgment na wo dismiss ne suit no obo ne hu samrani say oye Sampa Mahene enunti na asem no ye dia be pie wo court kwa say court nsem na okaye no obu court na nimtia bebre bisa say adentina ye che ya ansa na ye ba sebi o ba court wa ye di mmra adansedie ene nneoma ikeka ho na ye di ba emra ye gazette na wie no Sammorduah no anye nneoma bi a ye betimi aka say wodi ne nsa ese ne bu say oye Sampa manhene enti na say yetimi nya adansedie ene nneoma ikeka ho eno ntina sesei ene yensa ka ne yesese yensa ka ya gina so edi abakot enti sa na tie enye entokwa eye Ghana mra eye mamre ne ya mane ene ye gina so edi aka enti sa na eno tie nyamia ya adum ya fali processes ni nyina wie ne ye nyina ye behia court a ne court no wo no enye emotions ena is not about Asante, is not about Bunu. Sampa eye nafana ena Sampa eye member of the Asantehene Council titititi enti sa emotion na enkrofo dia tachi ena be dane NDC ni nyoma nyina no metu mofu se mesremu a moma ya twene no yenya na nokure eni hini ewoyemu ye jaima nokure di hini woyemu a ye behunu se nyoma na yesoso eni nyoma ye keka na nyina no sebi eni ni kwan mo enti sa na enutie enti the judge na or the judgment ne bae no ene ye di aba ne ho se abrantie na obae se nkaten ni Nana Gazette na ono a obogu ye no oye ne hu se woye manhene enti obu court animtia enti animtia bona obu court a woda so ye ne hu se woye ohene no ene ye di aba se court na or the judgment ne ban enhwe because Sammorduah no emra ye Gazette na wie no wanfa se yen dismiss yen 10 over 10 no wanfa nko suma wanfa nko sunyane wanfa nko tamale wanfa nko bebia onim se the original jurisdiction na bebia asem no na ewo no eye Kumasi High Court nti eho ene odi ne suit no ba ya judge no dismiss ye nti medamasi ewo ye no ni etoso mienu biom enkrofo frɛ me se eye abrantie bi a ye frɛ no enkrofo frɛ me ebisa me se eye abrantie bi a ye frɛ no Kwame Bonsusu adodo no afrɛ no Brahma Mosi eye video bi mesremo Sampa ahenesem ya kan wie ena Sampa ahenesem so enye politics enye saa na fanafo na yanya sebi ka Mosi ni a wo Sampa enka afa ho ban oye video no mo no ose oye NDC Muslims caucus coordinator fine you can be that entino ofre omo emoma basampa eyi sunyan eyi wentifo so omo beba eyi kintampo so omo beba mesremo mebuno amu wo Bunu region mesremo Bunu region na memenem no sebi moniati enti mumma nipa mienu miensa bi endada mo emma mu nya nnuoma bi a sebi ebetwe ye kwa ekira ye mpuntu nnwuma beka echi mesremo en Sampa enkonwa sem no mesremo a omo ye emana ye te se ye mbom se ye mpa bunufu asem na mbom ye ba Asantehene enye sanetie mesremo mompa nkrata ne bi na monkenkan sebi Nana Kofi Sono efri mu no eye ra ene yi na himfo emom be ye final rituals ene esie no adentia senka Sampa enya Asantehene dia adentina Sumahene ambe perform sa rituals no ana adentina Dormaahene ambe perform sa rituals no enti mesremo nneoma na omo ye a omo di ye te se NDC omo ye ne te se Bunu entokwa a sebi nimdifo ananka se mutimi bisa questions na mutimi gina probing questions no na mete kire saa no mesremo Bunu youth mesremo emma nipa mbienu miensa bi nhyemochi emma munye ensei Bunu empuntunwuma Sampa a critical part of the Bunu region. Sampa is a border town. Cashew industry no was a very vibrant one. Dear na Sumahene and Dormaahene eye omu yemu amu sei kuru no ene metie Brahma Bonsusu Brahma Mosi video no metie no se o kan se ade a eye wo de yense no sa na tie enunti na from day one yatimi tolerate mo hooliganism ya tolerate mo distraction yatimi tolerate mo burning of houses mo shidan a ya tolerate because yentimi endi machi ense kuru no. Enti Interior Minister, Ghana Police Service, the military ye yusumu. Pasremo, a draw point bia, you need to sit down and analyze and see, say, it's not about politics. Our politicians will call you, say, do something and you do it. Now, how many police in Peninophobia kasa wobuno? Maybe some say, enti your professional work now mo call school a training mo say munye no muda din na mudwin in more sober reflection na enu na mo ye no Sampa say obi betimi de aso camera si na ni so na waka say yenkoku obi yenkoshi obi dan na munchi no adentia because regional minister na oye head of security no e wo region no no na oye lawyer ema wom the scientist no he need to protect them and amunso amoye professionals I say mutimi gina munaso na the sanctity of the town, the peace of the town be ye kesi edi amamo na mohunu say esombu sin the loyalty na regional minister no person we the money former clients no munso you are dancing to the tune of the regional minister. Just imagine say yakoshi enkrufo fie you saw them. Your police commander na or Sampa no entimi nka nkyere mu say nipa simasi we no nekoshi dan no the very people na ye shi wo mu dan Nana Samgba Gyafla ma wo mu baby mo mu dae no the regional minister ordered you as professionals say nka mo putimi ba form na mo behwe say dey na si wo kuro no mu no you didn't ask probing questions mo sorry ye na mo ba ye ebe bru innocent people echi omudi omukoye na no mo CIDs for ni ba Sampa ena omudi omuko run omu hwe baby no omu ba ide no mo ka kire mo maye professionalism na a building the service with integrity no let us wait Mr. IGP your cyber vetting team na wati no obi ka bibi edidi obi atem kura mokochi no obi betinya so camera kan che obi say yenku obi obeso camera si obi say yenko shi obi dan then you allow these people to be walking around Adentia because you think they are identified they are associated with partner a war in power and therefore for you to preserve your seat you need to allow them to be destroying a peaceful town like Sampa. Omo planning Brahma Mosi video na woye ni nyina no oye ne te say omo ba aba ataki ene ono mom se enyes omo nyai enye nokre wa frɛ kintampofo ene wa frɛ wanchifo ene wa frɛ kudivoafo se omo mra Sampa no obo ataki oka kire ne nkurofo ni bi se oni policefo ne de wasoto they have come into compromise but people are calling munyahwi and ya kan trom so we are saying the world is watching we are saying na Ghana police under the leadership of the IGP say obi betimi atena kata aso video aka kire obi say yenkoku obi unchi no abrante bi monhwe video bi a TikTok live obi aboy bi ye wo Sampa ye friend Kweku was saw video at the scene and them say, Yam Omuba Waipu, Ebusia be a Sampa, Omuba Shishifie, Omeye say, Nina reported to the police, but Omunyahi. Would the young fellow say, almost sorry and pa, say almost she dana and crew for because almost sorry Akobombo Baya, over who the police will leave them and the police will then be attacking us. That is what is happening. But we leave you the police service to your conscience. Mr. Regional Minister, now me send you a message. Me catch you say, "Woma, oba boy ni oba girl ni woma na omuwo hwa upe oma semono." And can't you have the same love for the children in Sampa? Untimi. Na mwajai na nipa ye boni, na nipa ye to trust them. Omuno pi no ya akromfo. Hwe nanu Brahma Mosi emo moko Nana Kofi Suna o free mu Nana Samgba Gyafla II na de ne yiri store brama mosi mo mu ko hoko say store no awia nneoma nyina Nana nua ma kente store ko bu ani wia kente ntoma ne nyina awia nneoma. These are the kind of people. So enti Ghana, we want you to know say yenya to trafo. And you can bear as witness say ampa yenya to trafo. Because ye knew mechi and say Sampa. And nyoma omuka, omubeshi dan, omube yesei, omube kunipa, ni nyina Ghana police eti. But because they are perceived to be NDC people, no, the regional minister and in Nkrufo ejawom and omuye. Regional minister Nana Samgba Gyafla, law-abiding person, ehunu say obeye programmer eso wotwere edimamo. Wotwere dibere wono you told Nana Samgba Gyafla say you cannot guarantee the safety. Who are ye the safety? Who are we the head of safety in the town, in the region? Now we say Nana, you can't guarantee her. Should Nana leave his safety in your hand? Who says you cannot guarantee it? Enti Nana property wo ho. Na to trafo you won krofo ya the regional minister won krofo ya woni omukoba. Any Dormaahene Sumahene mukoba na mo kire wo say monkoyese no. They want to burn that house. And you want him to leave that house for them to go there and burn it. And ye wan kasa as a regional minister. And ye pe soldiers for ni bia. Udi omukọ ni police for ni bi. No monko to omonko twaja entumo. Dabai na we hunu say na nkrofo bi nam abonte omu say nkrofo nneoma. They don't do that. One who boy na we yes our video they say yemku nipa. One who die na odamo. Ceiling kura nim chance no perepe enti ena sa chance ne kura eye obi dan ena wakosre ena wa extend dia kombontin ena odamo. Enti sa chance dan na odamo no ukodi we echi say medije ekotumu a dia na abenya. And that is the main reason they don't have anything to lose. And a regional minister Sumahene Dormaahene e support wom. Entemesremo say obi ka kire mu say Nana de nkrofo bi aba e na omakwa attack obi agi sika omubua. Omu ye widifo trofo omubua enye no kure da. Eye agenda bi no mu seti. Enti ya ka kire mu say monkosa lai na mo machi nko na na fie ho. Enti omuba sa na gidigidi sori a na police for na jawo mu na police for na di Nana Samgba Gyafla supporters na chi. That is what they have planned. And to my plan say they should organize that no mumra omuba na Nana nkrofo be ka say ye protect ye ho a na the police for na soldier for no maturo go musu no magya Sammorduah for no nam krom no mu say your properties. And we know what you want to do. Brahma bonsusu Moba Sampa jimu. Brahma musi. Sampa ejiwu ema wutna Sampa enyine ye. Enti se waba benyine wi a sa nkrofo no mafra mo ho manfrafo ena maka bom na mo se nkrofo nneoma. Oba mawuli. Mo de monhwe mo din no oba mawuli. Brahma musi. You see your class of people ena mo ma ye se nkrofo nneoma. Adentina with this same ewo mumusa. Uni aka uni Nana yire enyanto manso enyentokwa mako court wa lusu enunti no yanko se ne store na wanya den frimo enkrofo store so amko biawia nneoma de na monye frimo. Enti Mr. Regional Minister, nobody is asking you to do what you are not mandated to do. The law mrano ehye wo se obemma pepe yo abasampa bas hwe Sumahene hwe Dormaahene omusi Sampa eye Sumadia na wo benya Sampa nkwada ye nananom mo bretiti wom na omumbom eni Sumahene play that agenda se ye nananom sama wo ho pampa oni mo bedi sa boy na wo kan se ye nkoshi Nana fie enra akwaku no on say in life moja run it through moja me Nana nyene cheme awo me Nana Yakupo me Nana Yakupo awo me Nana Ajarfoju me Nana Ajarfoju awo me maame Fatima Karimu awo me Abu Mahama omo moja eni omo no kredie eni omo abutre eni sa papa adoye moja no ene wo me mu enu bi netime mu sa brantie no a mo hunu no ni Nana awo ni Nana no ye me Nana bema na yire onko bisa no ni nti a me Nana bema no jan awade enti oye we disembia it doesn't surprise us, we know, but in him say and then na mrano aja wo mu no mu ye and then a police fo aja wo mu se wo nya no mu ye and then a regional minister ebo mu chidom and mu senkrofo nuoma and na politicians bi ahye wo mu chi and mu ye saa yinim say Ghana unye papa manim unye boni manim proda boni spy emmerepam no ye de ombefa mra kwan so enti mesre obi biara se obi ka se Nana Samgba Gyafla ko fa nkurufo bi omu ye nyomo eyentro eye agenda ene ompese omu seti na omu gina so na police fo no egina so ebe attack ye so that they will allow them to be doing their armed robbery thing and be destroying things tie bedamasi pa nya menka obi biara no mo ho ban enti obi anka na komanto ne yem ye de Ghana mra amamre ne amane e de be solve problem bia Nana Samgba Gyafla or ye law abiding asundwie nipa Sampa ye ne nananom dia enti wo mwa to transform yen say Sampa hwe cashew industry they are destroying it say ye consultation in cashew ye di Somahene grow. Look at this. Ghana Commercial Bank no nyina plan said they will go to Somahene grow and no na Sumahene hwehwe and no na Dormaahene hwehwe and I will use these people to destroy the town. We will overcome it. Enti obi biara wo Sampa emmobuno mu amuko school JSS fo amobetwere mo exam obia enka na command montwere monya abutre monsua ade na montwere eni omachi enya basabasa nyame nka obi biara ho yenim sembra no ebeye adwuma nti ne yameka nyina ne se Nana Samgba Gyafla wako court na wako nyina no this court no hyase efri ho ena Sammorduah nso hunu se ye gazetted Nana no ehwa na oba ese nka yenten ni gazette no ena judge no dismiss ye o dismiss ye dia na uya aware say ya gazette obi a wo ye ohene one appeal against the dismissal of your to overturn the gazette no enti se wo ho na ade a ese Sampa man hene ye na wa wo ye dia na say you do back to that court to let the court say wo bu court na nimtia eni pa bebre ka say NDC for party no NDC ma hwimfiri mu ma. I believe President Mahama me jenedi ba the din Mahama no ebi na damesu wati Mahama no eda nkrufo aye kanokre and President Mahama ne tumi na wo no wanya mfiri bebi awo wanya mfiri NDC mu wanya mfiri onya free Ghana ye mrapon no enum no onya free ye and the same constitution na emma President Mahama tumi no I don't think President Mahama will work against that constitution. Until Yemrani beka biano obedisu because the law is the law. And the law no enama wono to me ene otimi kase yenna yenda. Otimi kase yenka. The same law na amane to me no he will not work to undermine it. Ntimedamasi. Nyamenka mo ho na omo obi biara ho ban. Obi anya abutre mo amodwuma wo Sampa mesremo emo bia relocate mesremo. We empathize with you. Ye dia catch them say our heart are with you. Whatever we need to do, no more be say to me ye biana ye